Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's is unique logo design start to finish, so let's get started. Firstly, I open my Illustrator, I take my size, and you take your size. Then I open my drawing file, and I take a circle shape. Then this copy it. Again it. And again. Then it needs some twacked it. Then it's some remove. And then again. Then other side for remove. Okay, it is perfect. Then I customize it. Then I take a path and I do customize. Then I path selection. Okay, then again. Then again take circle path. And again. Then extra side for remove. Okay, it is perfect. Then again it copy and convert large to small. Then I take a circle shape and I customize it. Okay, it is very perfect. Then other side remove it. Then this it. It's okay. And then it. Then it's for path select. And then it's for. Then other side for remove. Okay, it is perfect. Then I color selection for this logo. It is very easy and simple, so you do it. And again copy this logo. And I color solicit. Then this some stroke it. Again I take a path for it. Okay, it is perfect. Then I take for it. Okay, it is perfect. Then other side for remove. Then it's for other color. And it's for some remove. It's okay. Then I take a text. Then I choose font selection. Okay, it is perfect. Then again a text. Equals okay. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.